Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will present about my individual project about the mechanic of material project. So before we go to the next chapter, I will intro myself. My name is Muhammad Haikal Mahirul. My matrix number is DF24000114 and my group number is CNS 015. So for introduction, this study is about the study of beam behavior under applied loads and analyzed based on the mechanic of material principle. So from this, the objective is to determine the internal force, construct SFD and BMD, analyze bending and shear stress, evaluate the structural safety. So on this project, I'm choose to uh, Baguna A3 at Dataran Anggrek Station as my example load, example structure. From the structure, this is my structure model. So this is my free body diagram. So from this body diagram, I'm using the pin and roller as a support. So this is my assumption load. From the assumption load that have depth load and life load from the structure. Next is determinacy and stability. So R equal to 3 and N equal to 1, we know. So R is reaction support and N is member of beam. So number of beam. And after the calculation that we know that this is statically determined and stable. That is reaction force at support reaction. So from the free body diagram, we know that the FAF equal to 0 and FAY and FBY is same. It is 187.49 kilonewton. Next is using the cut section method to find SFD and BMD. So from the cut section, we know that the equation for V. So from that, we can draw the shear force diagram, and we know that V maximum shear force maximum is 149 and 0.76 kilonewton. Next is bending moment diagram. Same as from the shear force diagram. By the calculation, we know the equation to find the moment and can draw from that. Can draw bending moment diagram. So M maximum is 200 and 224.64 kilonewton meters. Next is stress analysis. From stress analysis, I must calculate the maximum bending stress and maximum shear stress. So from the maximum bending stress, this is calculation for maximum bending stress and the diagram of the maximum bending stress. This is maximum shear stress and calculation for shear stress and maximum shear stress. From this, we know that maximum shear stress is 1.248, same as the maximum bending stress. So from that maximum bending stress and shear stress, we can next we calculate the allowable stress by using the 1.5 safety factor. So from that, we know that the allowable bending stress and allowable shear stress is 0.832 MPa. So next, so from discussion and conclusion, so we know that the stress maximum for both stress shear and bending is more larger than allowable. So I think for the calculation as engineer, which design new design beam more larger than the actual design, and uh, this can take more load. Then that's it. That's all from me. Thank you.